First we have to draw a circle for achieve the basic shape of tank. Give the corresponding dimensions for a circle diameter. Then click OK. Exit the sketch, go to the features, select extrude. Extrude the circle for required amount of thickness. Give the corresponding dimensions. Then click OK. After that we have to apply the fillet on sharp edges. So select a fillet with the corresponding edges. Give the radius value of fillet. Then click OK. After that you have to select any midplane. Make it to the normal view. After making a midplane we have go to sketch. Then we have to draw a spline here. So select a spline. Draw the spline across the cylinder. Enter the spline by dragging the datum points. Then click OK. After that we need to use a curves option in features. So go to the features. Inside the feature we have a curve option. Just drop down the curve option. We have a project curve. So select a project curve. Make sure the type was sketch on faces. Then click OK. Now the curve is projected on a cylinder face. After that we have to draw a profile with the spline. Make the plane a normal view. Then we have to draw a circle as a profile corresponding with the normal to our spline curve. After drawing the circle, just click OK. Then exit the sketch, go to the features. Inside the feature we have to select a swipe boss. Select a swipe cut with the corresponding profile and path. Just click OK. Now the cut is created here. Hide the unwanted spline curves. Now the swipe cut is successfully created. We have to mirror the swipe cut. So go to the mirror option. Make a midplane as a references. So select a midplane and select a features to be mirror. Just select a swipe cut which we mirror here. After that we have to just change the visible type for our good understanding. Then we have to go for linear pattern. Inside the linear pattern we have to select a direction. So select any plane as a reference direction here. We have selected a plane with the corresponding features. Cut, swipe and mirror is to be pattern here. Give the in between distance of instances. After giving the in between instances, just click OK. Now the linear pattern is successfully created here. After that we have to apply the fillet on sharp edges. Select all corresponding edges to apply the fillet. Just click OK after making a fillet. And just check by changing the visual type for good appearance. Then we have to make a reference plane corresponding to the top face of the cylinder. Make a reference plane here with corresponding offset dimension. Give the corresponding offset dimension and click OK. Just make it to the normal view, to the new plane. Here we have going to draw a circle in your offset plane. After drawing the circle for a corresponding dimensions, we have to make concentric of circles with the corresponding dimensions. You have to select a both center point of circle and make it as a 0 for a concentric circles. Then click OK. After that, exit the sketch, go to the features. Here we have to use here loft boss. So select a loft boss and select our two profiles. Two profiles is nothing but two different circles is a profile here. After making a loft, we have to apply the shell command. So select a shell and select the top face of cylinder. Give the amount of thickness for creating a shell. Then click OK. Now the shell is successfully created here. After that, we have to just select a top face of a cylinder. Make it to the normal view. Here we have to draw a upper profile of tank. First we have to draw a circle. Then we have to draw a intersecting lines. So select a line option. Before that, we have to make convert entities of outer circle. Then we have draw lines. After making two lines, we are going to make a circular pattern and mirror. Make the axis for using a mirror command. Just mirror the line which we drawn previously. After that, we are going to use a circular sketch pattern. Make a parameter as a center point. Then give the entities to be pattern. Select the two lines is the entities to be pattern here. Make sure the equal spacing and number of instances based upon your requirement. Then click OK. After that, you have to use here trim entities. So just trim the unwanted entities or sketch here. At last, we have to create a circle concentrically. Then click OK. After that, we have to exit the sketch, go to the features. We are going to extrude the profile here. So select the extrude boss with the corresponding profile. Change the direction. First, change the direction to the downwards by clicking the flip symbol. After changing the direction, we have to make up to the next material is added successfully here. Then we have to apply the fillet on sharp edges. So select a fillet option and select our corresponding edges. Give the corresponding radius value. After giving the corresponding radius value in a fillet, just click OK. After that, we have to make a rendering on water tank. So go to the rendering tools and select a corresponding color which you want to make aesthetic here. So just drag the corresponding color inside the plastics. To get the regular updates of my video, just click the subscribe button with notification symbol. Notification symbol is nothing but is a bell symbol to get regular updates of my video. Now we have applied the successfully created tank here. Inshallah we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Assalamu